pretty darn good. Let's brush it up. Whoa, look at that. We'll just brush it on. Right, here we go. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I know this isn't a hot rod or anything like I'd rather it be, but starter quit working on me. It's been giving me some business for quite a spell. It finally let go. I went ahead and took the bolts off camera, mostly because I was listening to Waylon Jennings. And I ain't country, but that sure is good stuff. He's a heck of a singer. Wish he was still around. But anyway, yeah, we got busted parts here. Let that go. And I'm gonna fix it. And if I make mistakes, I'm gonna leave the mistakes in this thing. Went ahead and ordered online a new one. And well, heck, let's just bust it open right now and see what we have. And razor blade is right here. I guess I should get this in camera. I'm not in camera, am I? Okay. Prepare for a little adjustment here. We'll get down here, over here, and I'll show you what we have. Yeah, Waylon Jennings, man. Darn, I wish he was still around making music. Like I said, I'm not country, but man, that guy can do it right. That guy can do it right. Now this is supposed to be, oh heck, I like this. It's all here. No wrapping cord or nothing. It's all brand new cord and everything. Can you see it in there? Let's see. Yeah, brand new cord and everything. Let's just look at this. Oh man. So this is going to be easy fix. All we got to do is bolt it back down. Bolt it underneath the cover, I guess. There goes the screws. Let's see. This has got to come off. How's this come off? Oh, okay. It's got a catch lip there. A couple catch lips here. So I'll get a screwdriver, start prying that stuff, see if I can break something. Trying real hard to break something. And let me go get the screwdriver. I guess they're afraid if they make it easy, it won't work. It'll break off on you. Makes sense. I don't want to break nothing. I do want success. It's been sitting in this position for so long. Hot and cold, changing temperatures. Kind of plastic welded itself on there, I'm assuming. Maybe I need more than two screwdrivers. I don't know. Oh, look at that. We got some magic going on here. Yes, sirree. Let's take this one out. I don't think it's going back. There we go. Somebody call Elvis. I did it. Anyway, didn't break no lips or clips. Alright, so I'm thinking, give me a couple pieces of wood and push down it. Got a couple pieces of wood here to get lift, so we have clearance. And then press her down. Alright, so we got the wood in place. I don't know if I'm doing it right or wrong, but this is what we're going to do. We're going to try it this way. I got clearance with the wood being up. Yep, that's what I was thinking. It appears to be partially working. I got one down. 2 more sets to go. 3 more sets to go. That wood back there. Yeah, that's working. That's the way to do it. Get a little pressure going on it. There we go. Heck yeah. She's in. Oh yeah. So that's the way you want to do it. Use some wood. Get yourself some clearance. Pop it in place. So what I'm going to do, stop the camera, put this on the ground, and see if I can pull start it. Be right back. Well, I set it on the ground, tried to pull start it, and all it would do is pull out, but it wouldn't retract back in, and I thought maybe I needed to put some little washers right here to elevate it enough for it to not have much tension on the part that slings out on this thing and catches the cup. Well, I was having no luck. I got to looking at it closer. My original one is like this. My new one is like this. Even though the housing fit fine, this inner was different. So I went to the local Briggs and Stratton dealership and told them what's going on, and they hooked me up with the new cup for $14. That's supposed to fix that problem. So I loosened up the old one. I put a bolt in here to keep it from the flywheel from turning while I took the nut off. Get in camera here. Took the nut off and got it out. Now I'll install the new one, put it back together, and we'll go to the floor and see if it'll start this time and retract like it's supposed to. So let's get started here. First of all, we'll take that out. Put the new cup in place. Washer. Make sure that's all setting down like it's supposed to. And this is a 24 millimeter. Alright, here we go. Alright, now we'll put this bolt through there to put some torque on it. There we go. Make sure that's not going to damage anything. Looks like that's about the best place to do it. Okay. I don't know if this is supposed to be torqued. If not, it'll come loose. That's not the right attitude. Let's put it back in there and try a little more time, a little more torque on it. Just to play it safe. Okay. Make sure that's enough. It didn't take much torque to take it off. And so the first thing we're going to do is put this where it belongs. Next thing we're going to do is put this where it belongs. Is that going to work or no? Okay. Bolts in place. Down. Tighten these puppies up. So, I don't know what to say. Hello, I guess. Meantime, while I'm boring you with this part. Alright, let's just focus on the job and stop trying to be funny. Wiser men have said. Alright. Okay. There we go, look at that. I can tell you right now, this is going to work. Okay. Alright. We'll set it on the floor. See if we can pull start this thing. Okay. Let's see what happens. She works. She works nice too. That's smooth pulling. Too good, too good, too good.